Say hello to bold style, thrilling performance, and high-end sophistication. The 2026 Kia K5 GT line is here, and it's turning heads like never before. This isn't just a mid-size sedan, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive front grille, sleek LED daytime running lights, and sporty 18-inch alloy wheels immediately catch your attention. The fastback silhouette, with sharp body lines, creates a coupe-like profile, blending elegance with attitude. And let's not forget the signature GT line design touches gloss black accents, a rear spoiler, and unique front and rear bumpers that give it a more aggressive, performance-oriented stance. Under the hood, the 2026 K5 GT line doesn't just look sporty, it delivers. Powered by a turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, it produces a confident 180 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth, responsive shifting. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through twisty back roads, the K5 offers composed handling and precise steering that makes every drive feel exhilarating. And for those who crave confidence in all conditions, available all-wheel drive provides that extra grip when the weather takes a turn. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more luxury lounge than mainstream sedan. The interior is dressed in premium materials with sporty Syntex-trimmed seats, a leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel, and ambient lighting that sets the mood just right. The driver-centric layout makes everything easily accessible, from the intuitive infotainment system to the available panoramic sunroof that opens up the cabin with natural light and fresh air. The 2026 model continues to raise the bar with a larger curved dual display setup, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen that gives you all the information and entertainment you need, seamlessly and stylishly. Tech lovers, rejoice! Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a booming Bose premium audio system, and a suite of advanced driver assist features like forward collision avoidance assist, highway driving assist, and smart cruise control make every trip safer and more connected. Kia's latest tech upgrades make the K5 feel like it belongs in a much higher class, and it's all wrapped up in a package that's surprisingly affordable. So if you're looking for a car that delivers power, luxury, and innovation without breaking the bank, the 2026 Kia K5 GT line is ready to blow your expectations away.